Okay, guys, good morning for all. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 4. We'll start with lesson 4, area of regular polygons, page 463. Now, before we start with lesson 4, guys, if you have any questions about the previous homework, you can ask me. If you don't understand any questions about the previous homework, you can ask me. Yes, Hussein.
Yes, Mr.
Talk, Ebony, talk.
Question number the last one. Text practice.
Yabni, in the homework, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Mr. Yeah.
What is it? Which one?
Question number 7. Find the missing dimension of the trapezoid.
Wait. The missing dimension, question 7. We have a trapezoid, right? Look at the board. This is a trapezoid, right?
Right.
And here up we have 8 inch. Down we have 12 inch. And here the height is missing and the area is given. The area is given is 40 inch power 2. 40 inch power 2. Now, we talked about how to find missing dimension in the trapezoid. We did that in the previous lesson. We said we start with the formula. A equal half B1 plus B2 multiply the height. The area is given 40. So I'll replace A with 40 equal half multiply bracket B1 is 12 plus B2 is 8 multiply the height is wanted. So the height comes down. Do you understand, Yahsin? Now, what I will do, I will simplify these numbers first. Simplify them. The 40 comes down. Equal. Here we add the bracket first. Half multiply 12 plus 8, 20. Multiply the height comes down. Now, I will simplify these two numbers also. 40 equal half multiply 20. Half of 20 is 10. Multiply h, 10h. Right, Hussein? Now, we have multiplication equation. We divide both sides by the coefficient 10. Divide on 10 both sides. So h will be 40 divided by 10 is 4. This is how we do missing dimension. Else, guys, good. Else, fine. Now let's go to our lesson directly. But before we start with our lesson, guys, here I make some revision for you. Our lesson is area of regular polygons. So leave everything, guys, and focus on the board, please. Focus on the board, please. Now, we took area of parallelograms. We said the area of the parallelogram A equal BH. Remember its formula? BH means base multiply height. So if you have parallelogram, use this formula to find the area. But inside the parallelogram, we have two special cases, guys. Rectangle and square. The rectangle, it has length and width. The square, it has S, side length. The whole sides are equal, the 4 sides. Now the area of the rectangle, we know that length multiply width. Don't forget that. The area of the square, S multiply S. So these, we call them together, all of them parallelograms. The parallelogram, the rectangle, the square, they are parallelograms. If it's parallelogram, BH. If it's rectangle, length by width. If it's square, S by S. S is the side length. In the second lesson, we took area of a triangle. Any triangle has base and height. The area of a triangle is half base multiply height. We know that. And the last one we took area of the last one, trapezoids. B1, B2 height. A equal half bracket B1 plus B2 multiply height. So these are the areas which we did until now. Fine. Let's go to the lesson title here. Area of regular polygons. First of all, what is the polygon? A polygon is a closed line segment sides, like this one, like this one, like this one. These we call them polygons. Here we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We call these shapes or figures, we call them polygons, including rectangles and squares and others. But what's the meaning of regular polygon? Regular. The word regular, it's important one. Regular means the whole sides are equal, and angles also. The sides are equal in lengths. When I say regular, regular with 4 sides, means this side equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side. Means if this side 5 inch, then this will be 5, 5, 5. And the whole angles are right angles, depends on. So regular means all sides and all angles are equal. Are these only the polygons we have? No. Look here. We have a lot of polygons. Let's revise them one by one. Focus on the board, please. Now, if the polygon has 3 sides, we call it triangle. If it has 3 sides, here we have 3 sides. So what we call it? Triangle. So if the polygon has 3 sides, we call it a triangle. If the polygon has 4 sides, like this one, it has 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also trapezoid, 4 sides. What we call the polygon with 4 sides? We call it quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So if the polygon has 3 sides, we call it a triangle. If the polygon has 4 sides, we call it quadrilateral. If the polygon has 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, decagon. And 10 sides, nonagon. Nonagon. These are the names. What else? The polygon has 12 sides. Do we have 12 sides here? No. So what's its name? We will say polygon over 12 sides. It has no special name. But if it's 13 sides, we say polygon of 13 sides. It has no special name. The special names until 10 sides. But someone will ask me, Mister, why you start from 3 sides? How about 2 sides? In two sides, we cannot make polygon. How you can make polygon with 2 sides? You need to close it. It should be closed, okay? So the polygons started from 3 sides. 3 sides triangle, 4 quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 hexagon, 7 heptagon, 8 octagon, 9 decagon, 10 nonagon. More, we call it by the number of its sides. 5. Now here, the word or the concept regular polygon. What's the meaning of regular polygon? Means a polygon such that all its sides and angles are congruent. Congruent means what? Equal. Congruent means equal. This is introduction for the lesson. What's our aim? What's our purpose in this lesson? To find what? The area of regular polygons. Now we did area of polygons before until 4 sides, the triangle and the trapezoids with these figures here. Today we will take these 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, whatever. Okay, guys, this is my introduction to this lesson. Yes, Rayyan.
Mr. Decagon is 10 and nonagon is 9.
أنا عكسهم. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. So 9 side decagon. Yeah.
9 side nonagon.
Nonagon. Sorry. Yeah. Nonagon. Thank you, Rayyan. And the 10 sides decagon. صح?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. I switched them. Else, guys, now what we will do again, we will find the area of regular polygons, and the regular here is important. What's the meaning of regular polygons? For the focus, guys. Regular polygon, all of its sides equal, all of its angles equal. That's but is the rectangle regular? No. Why? Because this side is different from this side. We have different lengths. But how about the square? The square, the all sides are equal and the all angles are 90s. So this we call it regular. Okay, so regular polygon, again, polygon, all of its sides equal, all of its angles equal. But how about the trapezoid? Is it regular? No. This line is different from this line, the 2 bases, remember? So this is the names of the polygons, which we will find some of their areas. But how we find the area? How we find the area? In these figures, we have formulas to follow. If I give you trapezoid, you will follow this formula. If I give you triangle, you will follow this formula. If I give you parallelogram, this formula, rectangle, square, these polygons here, we have formulas for them. But do we have formulas for these? No, we don't. What we will do to find the area of these polygons now, let's read what the book said. Now we are on page 463. All of you go there. 463, guys. 463. Go there, please. Go there, please. Who can read with me? Shukri, read ya Shukri.
Okay, mister. I will
Wait ya
read.
Shukri. Wait. Guys, all of you, go to page 463. Shukri will read from the learn here to find, and please point with your friend. Go, Shukri.
Learn. Area of regular polygons. To find the area of a regular polygon, a polygon in which all sides and all angles are congruent.
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 Congruent means what, guys? Congruent means equivalent, equal. They have the same lengths. Okay? Continue.
Okay. You can decompose the figure into triangles, parallelograms, or trapezoids. Find the
Best,
area
best,
of
best, thank you. Now, I said a few moments ago, I said these figures, we have their formulas, but here we don't have formulas. The book said to find the area of regular polygons which have no formulas. Now, some of the quadrilateral has, some of the triangle has formula, but I'm talking about these from the pentagon down, okay, regular, okay. The book said to find the area of these polygons, you decompose, look here guys, decompose.
what
Decompose
means
means,
decompose?
decompose means to make divisions. Means, look here. For example, this one. Look here. This is polygon. Let's count its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, right? What we call it? 6 sides.
Hexagon.
6 sides, we call it what? Hexagon. Let's
Hexagon.
assume that this one is regular hexagon, okay? Hexagon. I will do one thing. I will do one thing, guys. Look. What I did here, I split it. I divided it. This what we call it? Decomposing. Make small parts. But decomposing for what? The book said, again, you can decompose the figure into triangles, parallelograms, or what? Trapezoids. Now what we'll do, guys, we will decompose these polygons into either triangles or parallelograms or trapezoids. Okay, why? Because we know the formulas for them. But I will go back here to my regular hexagon. I make this line. What's this, guys? Focus with me. This one here. What we have here? Who can tell me what we have here? Up. Shukri, do you know what we have here?
Regular hexagon.
ماشي ما اختلفناش. The whole figure is regular hexagon. But this part up, what we have?
It is darked.
What we have, يا what's the name of it?
It is a half.
ماشي. This يا this. What is it? Did we take something like this before?
Yes, it is the trapezoid.
Trapezoid. This figure up is a trapezoid, and this figure down also is what?
Trapezoid.
So we have two what? Two
Trapezoid.
trapezoids. But do we know the area of the trapezoids? Yes, we know the area of the trapezoid. So to find the whole area of this regular hexagon, what I will do, I will make division. I will calculate the area of the trapezoid here, the area of the trapezoid here. Then what we will do, continue reading, ya Shukri.
Okay. Find the area of each smaller figure and then add or multiply to find the total area.
Yes. Now here I make two division, trapezoid, trapezoid. I can use the formula to find the area of this one and the area of this one. Then I will add them to find the whole area. Got it?
Yes.
Good. Now, beside the paragraph which Shukri is reading by now, we have hexagon. See it, guys, here? See this hexagon? Regular hexagon. I will graph it on the board and let's find its area. Let's find its area. I'll try to graph it on the board. They make this line. In this line, they put How much? 4 centimeters. Okay, and this height, they bought 1.73 centimeters. And the side length is how much, Yabni?
Yes, it's 2 centimeter.
Up here to
Yes, 2 centimeter.
2 centimeters. Now focus with me, guys. Now, what's this figure in front of us? To know the name of the figure, count its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. The name of it is what?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. And it is focus. It is regular. Regular means
Regular.
if this 2 centimeter, this how much should be?
2 centimeter.
And this,
2 centimeter.
and this,
2 centimeter.
and this,
2 centimeter.
and this.
2 centimeter.
Regular, the whole sides, all of the sides are the same of the given one. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Right? But what we have here now,
Right.
we have 2 trapezoids. 2 trapezoids. I will call this trapezoid 1 here. And up trapezoid 2. But if this 2 centimeter, ya Shukri, down here, what's this? How much?
2 centimeter.
Also 2. And because it's regular, if this height 1.73, this height also equals how much?
1.73.
1.73. What we have here? Let's start with the upper trapezoid here. How much pays 1 for it?
2 centimeter.
The upper one. How much pays 1 for it?
Yeah, it is 4 centimeter.
How much pays 2?
1 point.
Pays
I mean 2
2.
centimeter. 2.7.
How much the height?
1.73.
So we have base 1, base 2, and height. Can we find the area?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Stop. Let's talk about the lower trapezoid. How much base 1?
2 centimeter.
Base 2?
4 centimeter.
Height?
1.73 centimeter.
It is the same, right?
Yeah.
It is the same. So we have 2 trapezoids have the same dimensions. So they have the same what? Areas, right?
Right.
To find the whole area, what I will do, guys, what I will do, I will say A equal, look here, guys, and focus, please. A equal the whole area. Area of trapezoids. Okay? Now, how many trapezoids we have?
2.
2 multiply area of trapezoids. Why? Because we have similar areas, equally areas. So in place of finding area 1, area 2, then add, no, multiply by 2 directly. Do you understand?
Yes, but how we can
That's what?
solve it?
Yes, equal. 2 multiply area of trapezoid. Do you know the formula of it?
Yes. 2 multiply
it?
B1 plus B2.
لحظة
2
اهدى
multiply
اهدى
B1.
اهدى يا ابني اهدى 2 multiply area of trapezoid, right?
Yeah.
2 comes down, 2. خلك من 2. Now, what is the area of a trapezoid? Do you know the area of a trapezoid?
No.
No. ما خدناهاش يا ابني الاريا اوف الترابيزويد احنا ولا ما مرت علينا؟ ايش مالك يا حبيبي؟ ايش مالك؟ احنا بنلعب قاعدين؟ ركز الله يسعدك. Area of trapezoid, guys, we took it yesterday. What is it?
Yes, mister.
يا زلمة
It
what
is
is it?
A equal
خلك من
equals
ال
2
A، هاي ال
multiply.
A، خلينا من ال A. خلك من ال 2 يا ابني. I'm asking you about the area of trapezoid. What is it?
B1 plus B2
Oh my God.
multiply H.
Thank you. No, mister, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's not this. Memorize the formula يا ابني. Memorize the formula. سليمان.
Yes, Mister. The area of the trapezoid is 5.
What is the area of the trapezoid, Islam? Huh?
The area of the trapezoid is 5.19 plus 5.
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. يا ابني what is the formula؟ يا جماعة إيش فيه؟
B1 plus B2 multiplied.
لا يا مستر it is wrong. It is wrong. إيه أحمد ناجد.
Yes.
ولا كأنه ماخذينها أمس. What is the area of trapezoid يا ابني؟
The area of trapezoid. Okay.
Huh.
It's 9.
What?
9.
9 9 what يا ابني؟ بدي الاريا اوف ترابيزويد انا. ايش في يا جماعه؟ ايش في؟ ولكم ما اخذناها. هيها ما بعدين معكم انتو. خلص دونت توك يا ابني. دونت توك. لا تحكي لا تحكي لا تحكي. خلص ما تحكي. اريا اوف ترابيزويد ما اخذنا فورمولا لها احنا. ايش قلنا وين بنعمل؟ ما اخذناها. هاي ما مرت علينا. ما شفناها. مش معقول. استغفر الله العظيم يا رب. A equal 2 multiply area of trapezoid. Why 2? Because I have 2 trapezoids. 2. And they have the same area. So I put 2. If we have 3 trapezoids, I put 3. 4, I put 4. Whatever. Here I have 2 trapezoids. This is trapezoid 1. This is trapezoid 2. Now, area of trapezoid, the formula. The formula. This is the formula which we took. More than 20 questions we solved in the past 2 days about this formula. More than 20 questions. Equal 2 multiply half bracket base 1 plus base 2, base 1 2, base 2 4, or 4 and 2, they are the same. Multiply the height. The height is the same, 1.73. What يعني ما اخذناها هذه يا شكري؟
أخذناها. أنا لسه كنت رح
كنت
أحكيها.
بشو يا ابني؟ كنت بشو؟ ايش بشو؟ كنت ايش؟ احكي لي.
كنت راح أحكي A equal 1 over 2.
لا انت
brackets
بلشت. لا
B1
يا ابني. لا
plus
لا 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 انا ما بنسى. انت حكيت A equal بلشت بدون الهاف. B1 بدون الهاف. ما حكيت هاف. لما بحكي فورمولا يا ابني، لما بحكي فورمولا يعني بتحفظها زي اسمك. هاف بدك تحكي هاف. بدك تحكي هاف. اتش بدك تحكي اتش. whatever. Memorize the formulas. Memorize it. Now calculate. Calculate. Grade 4. Calculate this. The answer will be 10.38. All of you remove your hands. All of you. Any questions about this one? Any questions? Ask me. Let's go to example 1. Read it again.
Okay.
Example 1, guys, page 464. Read.
Find area of regular polygons. A stop sign is shaped like a regular octagon.
Octagon. Wait. Octagon means how many sides it has?
8 sides.
8 sides. And when I say regular, means the 8 sides have the same length. Okay? See the board? This is
Yes.
regular octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sides. Okay? Now, this is the sign, the stop sign. We see it always in our roads, our streets. Now, the side length is how much? Continue, Rayan.
Each side of the sign is 15 inches long.
Good. The side length is 15. Look at the board. 15 means this also 15, 15, 15. كلهم 15 هذول. كيف عرفت انهم كلهم 15? How we know that all of them are 15s? Because the question said it is
Regular.
regular octagon. The word regular tells me if one senior. Continue يا
Sorry,
ابني.
your voice is
Continue يا ابني. Continue.
okay. And measures 36 inches between parallel sides.
Best. Parallel sides, guys, means the side with its opposite side. This side, for example, with its opposite side. This side with its opposite side. These we call them parallel sides. كل side مع القبالة. This side with opposite side. The distance between them, focus here. The distance is how much the whole distance between the opposite sides, the parallel sides. How much, Rayan?
36 inches.
36. Means this at the half of it. How much?
The half of 36?
هلا the whole 36. The half how much?
18.
18. And this also 18. But how about this one? This one here. The whole is 36. Means this one how much?
18.
18. And here
18.
18, right? Means
Yes.
what I'm talking about here. All of the parts here, guys, I divided it into triangles, right?
Yeah.
Now, how many triangles we have? 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of the triangles, and focus, Rayan, please. All of the triangles has base how much?
15.
And height how much?
18.
See? All of the
Yeah.
triangles, base 15, height 18. Base 15, height 18. Base 15, height 18. All of them, right?
Yes.
طيب. How many triangles we have?
8.
8 triangles. طيب. Do we know the area of the triangle?
No.
We don't know the area of the triangle. But do we know the formula of the area of the triangle?
Yes.
This is the formula of the area of the triangle. What we need to find it, we need base and what?
Height.
So here I have the base and the height for each triangle, right?
Yes.
So I will find now the whole area. A equal, we have triangles, right?
Yes.
How many triangles?
8 multiple 8.
8. 8 triangles. And all the triangles have the same dimension. Base 15, height 18, right?
Yes.
Means the whole triangles have the same area. So in place of finding the area of each triangle, then add them all. No, we can say we have 8 triangles. 8
Multiply
multiply
half.
area of a triangle. Got it?
Yes.
Equal 8 multiply. What's the area of a triangle? The formula half BH. أخذناها صح؟
Yes.
Equal 8 multiply half multiply. How much the
15.
base?
15.
How much the height?
18.
18. Why I put 8? عشان ما اعملهم مش 8 مرات واعمل add. لا خلاص 8. Here 2 trapezoids I put 2. Here 8 triangles I put 8. Got it?
Yeah.
Equal, calculate now. Calculate these numbers. The answer will be 1080 centimeter per 2.
We will do face the bracket.
inch خلاص do it يا ابني. calculate في مشكلة بالcalculations?
No.
This is example 1. We'll stop here guys. Tomorrow inshallah we'll continue. Please guys, please I beg you, okay? بترجاكم memorize the formulas very well.
Mr.
You
When you
understand it,
write,
Yabni?
yeah.
Good. Yes.
When you write the 8 multiply the area of triangle, you mean all the triangle. اختصار. No need to write each one.
Exactly. That's why I write 8. 8 multiply 1 triangle. Got it?
Yes.
مش كلهم half BH?
Yeah.
Half BH, half BH, half BH, half BH, half BH, 8 times, right?
Yeah, and regular, they have the same.
Exactly.
Right.
That's all for today, guys. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue. Thank you so much. Have a good day.